Stop scrolling for a moment. If your to-do list is starting to look like a graveyard of forgotten dreams, you're not alone. Today, let's fix that. We're discussing 3 points today. Point number 1. Make your list painfully short. Most people cram 20 tasks into their day and then feel guilty when they finish one. Instead, pick 3. Just 3. Your brain loves clarity, not chaos. Point number 2. Turn every task into a tiny action. Your list shouldn't say clean the entire house. Your list should say pick up 5 things. Small actions are like cheat codes for motivation. Once you start, momentum does the rest. Point number 3. Make your list visible, not invisible. If your to-do list is hiding inside some app, good luck remembering it exists. Put it on your lock screen, your desk, or even a sticky note right on your water bottle. If you see it often, you'll actually do it. So that's it, a shorter list. Smaller tasks, more visibility. Make these 3 changes and your to-do list will finally start working for you, not against you. And if you want more clarity, one idea at a time, subscribe.